Hi, this is Josephine from Gatsby Investment. Today I'm going to show you how to get verified as an accredited investor. I will guide you step by step, so at the end of this video you will know exactly what an accredited investor is, why you need to get verified, and how to apply for verification. So let's get started. First, we'll go to the tab Information and click Accredited Investor Qualifications. An accredited investor is an individual or an entity who meets the SEC requirements. Being an accredited investor means you have access to investments that are not available to the general public, so it opens the door to a wider range of investment opportunities. We use a third-party service called Verify Investor to verify you. You can apply for verification directly via our website, and it's completely free for our investors. There are 5 different ways to qualify as an accredited investor, and you need to meet at least one of the requirements. The first and second option is the income method. You can qualify for this if you individually have earned $200,000 in gross income each year for the past 2 years, or combined with a spouse have made $300,000 each year for the past 2 years. The third option is the net worth method, which works if you or combined with a spouse have a net worth of $1 million excluding your primary residence, so you can count everything you own besides the home you live in. The entity method applies to an entity with at least $5 million in assets, or in which all equity owners are accredited investors individually. The last method is for license holders. This is for individuals holding the Series 7, 82, or 65 licenses. If you meet at least one out of those criteria, that means you can apply to get verified as an accredited investor. Depending on what method you want to use, you'll need to show different proof. For example, if you want to prove the income method, you can use a W-2 or any other tax documents to show that you've made that income in each year for the past 2 years. If you want to show the net worth method, you can upload bank statements or proof of other assets you own. For entities with assets over $5 million, you would typically use a bank statement or a formal valuation of the entity. Or you could prove that all equity owners are accredited investors individually or combined with a spouse. For example, if you want to invest through an LLC that you own 100%, you could get verified using the regular $200,000 income method or $1 million net worth method. For license holders, you would need to show proof that you hold any of the licenses in good standing. You could also use a verification letter to get verified. In that case, you would need to have a CPA or a licensed attorney sign this letter to confirm that you meet the requirements. You'll then upload this letter to Verify Investor, and they will use this letter as proof to verify you. The letter can be downloaded by clicking this button. Whenever you are ready to get started, you can click this button to sign up with us and start the process. You will first sign up with your individual information and confirm your email address. Whenever you have created the account, that's when you can start the accredited application, and you will then be able to specify how you will want to invest with us and enter the appropriate information. If you already have an account with us, you can go to the tab Account and click Accredited Application, and it will take you there directly. We'll start by clicking the Apply Now button. It will ask you for these pre-qualification questions that you will answer. Please note that if you do not meet at least one out of those, you will not be able to invest with Gatsby. This is because of the SEC rules. Check the ones that apply to you and press Continue. This is where you'll select the way you want to invest, whether it's as an individual, an entity, a retirement account, or a trust. For this example, I will select investing as an individual. After you've filled out this information, you will click Continue. On this page, you'll see the different documents you can use as proof of income or assets. When you're ready, we'll click Apply Now to continue. You will now start the accredited application with a third-party service Verify Investor. You will need to create a separate account to log in with Verify Investor. Fill out all the required fields, then click Create Account. You need to confirm your email with a security code. Open your email, enter the code, and click Continue. Accept the request by clicking Get Verified. This is the time to make any necessary changes to the legal name or entity that you are verifying. Double check to make sure the information is correct, then click Continue. Select how you'll be investing, as an individual, or an entity, or a trust. I will proceed as an individual. It will then give you the different verification methods you can use. For this example, I will select the income method. Click the Choose File button to upload your document. Check the box. Add any necessary comments you have for the reviewer, and whenever you're ready, click the Submit for Review button. You have now completed the application. After you have submitted your documents, they typically ask for 1 to 2 business days to review your application. However, in most cases, we see that our investors get verified within the same day. If Verify Investor need more documents from you, they will send you an email with a link to log back into your Verify Investor account, where you can view what additional information they need from you. You can also log into your Gatsby account to check the status of your application at any time. To get there, go to the tab Account and click Accredited Application. When you've been verified as an accredited investor, you will receive an email notification, and your Gatsby account will also say that you have been successfully verified. And at that point, you can start investing. Please remember that your verification is only valid for up to 90 days. You need to place an investment within this time frame in order to secure your verification. If you don't, your verification will expire and you would need to apply again in order to invest. However, if you do place an investment within this time frame, your verification will remain valid for the future. If you want to see a detailed step-by-step guide for every method, you can go back to the Information tab and click Accredited Investor Qualifications. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click this button to download the guide. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and we're looking forward to working with you.